Hi guys, this is Sab and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe on my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified on my next video. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng fake nails or acrylic nails. Nagagastos lang kayo ng 45 pesos. Yes guys, 45 pesos lang siya. Meron na kayong acrylic nails na kagaya nito. So, if you are interested on this video, just keep on watching. Guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung nabili kong fake nails or acrylic nails sa Shopee for only 45 pesos. Ito siya. Yan. 45 pesos each box to. Yan. Each box meron na siyang 24 pieces na fake nails. At the same time, meron na rin siyang nail glue. Yes. For only 45 pesos. And ito naman, bumili rin ako nito na plain na 48 pesos na wala pa itong kasamang nail glue. Pero, 100 pieces na siya. Perfecto kung gusto nyo na kayo mismo yung maglalagay ng nail polish. Actually guys, kung magpapakabit kayo, magpapalagay kayo ng fake nails or acrylic nails sa mga nail salon, it will cost you around 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. Pero dito, gagastos lang kayo ng 45 pesos. And maganda na siya kasi meron na siyang design and meron na rin siyang nail polish. So, without further ado, let's start.
We will be needing nail glue, nail clipper, nail file, acrylic nails. I already separated the ones that I will be using. First, make sure that our hands and nails are clean before tayo mag-start. I will be using the nail clipper to cut my nails. Mas maganda na maikli yung nails kasi mas nagtatagal yung acrylic nails and at the same time, it will look more natural. Next is, ini-nail file ko yung top ng nails ko hanggang maging rough siya para mawala yung grease or yung dulas ng nails. In this step, mas magdidikit yung nail glue and at the same time yung acrylic nails. So next is, gagamitin ko na yung nail glue. Next is, I will apply the glue to the back of the fake nails. Make sure lang na hindi natin dadamihan masyado yung paglagay ng nail glue. Kasi papangat siya tignan once na idinikit na natin siya dun sa nails natin. And once na nalagay na natin yung nail glue sa acrylic nails, make sure lang na ididikit natin siya agad kasi mabilis matuyo yung glue. So next is attach na natin or idikit na natin yung fake nails sa root ng nails natin hanggang dun sa front edge. Then press natin siya for about 10 to 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, pwede na natin i-check kung dumikit na yung fake nail sa nails natin. I will do the same procedure on the rest of my nails. So guys, this is the finished product for only 45 pesos. I'll be putting the link on the description box kung saan ko nabili yung mga fake nails. And I hope you like this video. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!